This is it. John, can you yaw to -20 and then yaw all the way back to +20 yaw?
Yes, okay.
You know, and then, let's see, I'm going to close this one down. Ford's NVH strategy is to be remarkably quiet. We want our vehicles to be remarkably quiet for wind noise, and this technology is allowing us to achieve that goal in a very efficient manner. We use Ocken head mannequins, which have microphones embedded in the ear canals, to determine what the noise levels are in the car. But what they don't tell us is exactly where the noise is coming from, and that's where the noise vision system comes in. The results from the noise vision system show us a 360-degree map of the interior, and laid over that map are the sound levels, or the contour plots. And on the contour plots, the areas we need to address show up as red areas and are very clear that those are the areas we need to treat.